Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Coinbase account restricted issue. If your Coinbase account has been restricted and it is showing you this kind of an interface and it is telling you to contact support, then you've landed in the right place. Simply keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. One of the main reasons your Coinbase account is restricted is because your country does not support certain features on the exchange, for example, selling crypto. The next reason why it is happening might be because you are unable to add a payment method on your Coinbase account. The first thing to do whenever this kind of situation arises is to go ahead and contact Coinbase support. Before doing that, make sure if the selling of crypto is supported in your country first. If you're living in New Zealand, Australia or Singapore, you won't be able to sell crypto on Coinbase. As a result, you won't be able to add a payment method. So here's how to fix the issue. The first thing to do is to open up Coinbase Account Support Center. Go and tap open Safari on your iPhone, or you can open up any web browser if you're using your Android device. Now simply type in help.coinbase.com, and once you make a search, you'll end up in this support page. In this page, you'll be able to see multiple of options you can choose from. Tap on the Contact Us button at the bottom of the page. Now scroll a bit down and choose your product from the options displayed. There are multiple of products that you can choose from. This includes Coinbase, Coinbase Pro, Coinbase Custody, Coinbase NFT, and so much more. Since your Coinbase account is restricted, let's tap on the Coinbase button, and now scroll down, and right where you can say let's get started, select an option by tapping on the drop down and choose the issue that you are experiencing. In my case, it is restricting me from trading and funding on Coinbase, so let me tap on trading and funding on Coinbase. Now from the next drop down, choose whatever your issue is about. Under what seems to be the problem, I'm going to select any one of the options over here. You can go ahead and enter more information down below. Select the payment method that you used for your transactions. Select the issue you are experiencing again from the next drop down. After filling in all of the information needed, it says that you can upload screenshot or a PDF bank statement showing the unknown charges here. After you are done filling the rest of the information, scroll a bit down and enter the email address that is associated with your Coinbase account. Type in the subject, and if you have any kind of a message that you'd like to mention, go ahead and type it in, and finally click on send verification email. Soon after you do that, you'll need to wait for Coinbase account's response. Coinbase will typically respond in 24 hours via email. You'll need to check your inbox periodically for the email. So if your account is restricted and you'd like to do something about it, doing this will help getting out of the situation. That was how you can easily do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.